In this chapter, let us learn about Python delete files. Delete a file. To delete a file, you must import the OS module and run its os.remove function. Remove the file demo_file.txt. Import as os.remove demo.txt. Check if file exists. To avoid getting an error, you might want to check if the file exists before you try to delete it. Example, check if file exists, then delete it. Import OS. See, first you should check the file and then else you should delete that. Remove the folder. Use the myfolder command. You can only remove empty folders. See, import os rmdir myfolder. See, it will remove the folder. Okay friends, this is the end of part 38 delete files. In next video, let us learn about another topic, modules NumPy. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.